Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Zocdoc account for easier appointments step by step clearly. To reset your Zocdoc account, start by opening your browser. Navigate to the Zocdoc website. Look for the sign in option located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign in to proceed. On the sign in page, find the Forgot Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on Forgot Password to begin the reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Zocdoc account. Type in your email address carefully and double-check for any typos. After confirming your email, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Zocdoc. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Open the email and click on the reset link provided in the message. This link will direct you to a new page for setting a new password. Enter your new password in the first field. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Click on the Reset Password button to complete the process. Once your password is reset, return to the Zocdoc sign-in page. Input your email address and your new password. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. You are now logged into your Zocdoc account with a fresh password. From here, you can easily schedule or manage your appointments. Consider updating your account settings for a smoother experience going forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.